ito ba gagawin natin, ha? Ito ba yung next activity natin?
Yes,
Introduce,
sir.
introduce each other, hindi introduce yourself. Introduce
Yup.
each other.
Introduce each other.
Jeez, man. Sige nga.
Jeez Louise.
Sige, sige, sige.
You start. You go ahead.
Ako ba? Ako ba?
Yeah. I threw the ball. You caught it. Out
K,
here catching cases.
K. Anong gagawin? How do I describe you in
Yeah, just
three
whatever you want to
words?
say.
We
Nah.
gotta set ground rules, di ba? Para
Ground rules.
ano.
You want to say 3 words? We've got a podcast going on, bro.
Okay, mister. So, I'll introduce you. I describe you, ganon.
Yeah. Introduce me. Describe me. Whatever you want.
Uh, no, describe you. I don't know. You're ano, pre? Unang lumabas sa utak ko, ano, pandak. Ayoko naman. Ayoko naman tayo cyberbully. Baka mamaya hulihin ako. Uy, kuya, cyberbullying yan.
Alam mo, para sa mga short kings dyan, okay lang yan. Wala tayong magagawa. Yan lang yung binigay sa atin ni Lord. Let's be thankful. Okay lang yan.
Pero, ano nga ba? To describe you, you're very blunt. Kasi pagka,
I'm blunt to you because you're my friend. I'm not blunt to other people because I'm a very mahihain na
no,
tao.
no, 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 no. Listen here, you don't get to
Squeeze
chip
me.
in. You don't get to chip
Excuse me.
in on my description of you, okay? You will
Okay.
have your own time when the camera's set to you, okay? Pero for now, let the man talk. Joke lang.
Okay.
Pero ano, you're blunt kasi parang you're like my jowa in the sense na pagka nag-order ako sa McDo ng breast part ng chicken, tapos ang binigay sa akin leg, ang akin, okay na yan, parang wag mo nang awayin yung ano, yung manager. It's not that ayoko maging Karen or what. It's not like I don't want, I am not fighting for my cause. Pero I also understand din na they have their own thing going. Pero you two, especially you, you're the type of person na, hindi, Brett, akin na yan. Miss, palitan to, please, miss. Or,
Talaga ba?
oo, kasi may mga,
Pero I feel like ganun ako para sa mga kaibigan ko. Pero when it comes to myself, feeling ko mas dumalabas yung medyo mahihain na side ko.
not,
Kasi rin naman na mahihain din ako eh.
now that you say that, ang feeling ko rin na if it were for me lang, may hiya ako. Parang, okay lang
Hmm.
yan. Pero kapag kumare, nalaman ko na pinagtripan ka or what, sino yan?
Siguro malakas yung chivalry genes natin.
Ano tayo? Gentleman tayo, not just to, to women, but to each other.
The homies.
Eh, bro. Bro, pogi mo dyan, bro. Pero ayun, yan, blunt ka. Sobrang mo rin kasing, paano ba yun? Sobra kang firm sa ideas mo. It's not that you're close-minded, pero kung may pinapaniwalaan ka, gusto mo siyang paglaban, tapos, ayun, ipo-point out mo sa akin why you have that view on things. Tapos, ikwento mo rin na this is my thought process behind it. This is what I considered. These are the points I considered. This is this is what this is what made me decide na ganito yung opinion ko on this certain things. For example, what's something we don't disagree on? We disagree on.
We disagree on.
Hmm.
Siguro most recently yung heel turn ni John Cena.
Yan, di ba? Parang,
No.
I won't say, I don't know, we disagree, pero, we have different opinions dun sa part. Parang,
Yeah.
I don't, I wasn't very excited. I like it, di ba? I like the move, pero, I'm very scared kasi they could mess this up in many different ways that I can imagine. Parang we've waited for this for so long. I just hope they don't mess it up, and that's the reason why I'm scared. And then you come out here and you say, "Fred, just enjoy it. Like, come on, man. Like, it's John Cena. He has the freedom. He can. You go on and prove 5 points off the top of your head now. It's John Cena. He has creative control, and he also knows what the fans want. It's gonna be fine. You just gotta enjoy it, man. It's his last year in the company. You just enjoy the ride, man. Jeez, okay, diba? It's like, you didn't really take away the fear from me, pero you sure made me enjoy it a bit more than I originally was. So, um,
Talaga, kasi honestly, that's how I feel about you. You're the guy who knows how to control my opinion on things. Not control, pero influence my opinion on things. And I didn't realize na ganun pala yung epekto natin sa isa't isa. Because I thought that was just me. I didn't know na ganun ka rin pala based off my opinions. Oh, so now I gotta describe you, right?
I mean, you just started it.
You know, to be honest, I was gonna start out by saying something totally unserious.
Mhm.
Pero the most serious description that I have for you, ikaw ang pinaka-practical na taong kilala ko in the sense na if ever I need an opinion on something, like, pre, may kailangan akong bilhin. Okay ba to? You're that one guy, bro. You're that one guy na kailangan kong puntahan to make sure that I'm buying the right thing from the right store. And I just think that it's a testament kung gaano ka perfect yung course mo para sa'yo.
At the right price.
At the right price.
Eh, I mean, kasi parang one of the things na mindset ko palagi is I wanna be as objective as possible. So, ayokong ayokong ma-incline emotionally towards things na I just love it. What do you love about it? I don't know. I just love it. So I'm gonna buy it. Are you gonna love it when you buy it and then you find out what you bought isn't really something worth loving? Oh, I like these shoes. They look nice.
Well, to be fair, practical in the sense na tama ba yung presyo for it.
Hmm.
But I will not come to you to ask kung practical ba tong bilhin. Because you're the one guy who buys everything. That's not necessarily practical to buy.
Hmm.
Case in point,
Parang, ano naman?
look at that. Look at that. Look at that pink ass cup.
I mean, it's, it was on a promo. I spent, kano lang, 150 lang yata yan. Pero look, no, it's a very significant piece of my diorama.
And that's why you're like so emotionally attached to things that give you joy. And I respect that. Like, alam mo yun?
Oh,
Because
I
honestly,
guess
I don't necessarily buy things like that right off the bat. Alam mo yun?
you gotta realize then that not all of this was bought by me. Ito,
True.
these two Funkos were gifted. Si Jollibee tsaka si Batman. This Gunpla wasn't
Bigayan.
this was given to by Kuya Nico. He's my good friend. He's my kuya figure. Tapos yeah, there are other things. I bought this, the Blackpink light stick. Pero some albums there were gifted then. Tapos yeah, so I buy things pero I also look at it at a practical standpoint na will this be more, will this bring me more joy than it will bring pain in my pockets? Parang ganun. And if it ever does reach that point na, if it starts there, if it reaches that point na it the joy is beyond the financial loss, then I can consider it to be a feasible buy. And the way I calculate joy is, will I use it, or will it look nice on my display, or will it gain value in the future? Ganun yung ano ko. Ganun yung
Outlook.
titignan ko. So, ayun, oh. Pero when you ano kasi, when you're emotionally inclined na sobra, na parang, oh, look at this pillow. It has a cute cat on it. I wanna buy it. Doon papasok yung practicality na sinasabi mo siguro na binibigay ko na, yeah, okay, I like cats too, pero it's a cat on a pillow. Where are you gonna put it? Sa kama mo. Okay, higa mo. So it's either masisira yung unan kasi ginagamit mo, tapos magiging flat na rin yung itsura ng pusa, or hindi mo naman siya gagamitin, hindi mo siya gagamitin pantulog. Where would you put a pillow this big? I can't fit that dito sa ano. So, doon pumapasok yung practicality
Pero
siguro.
alam mo, I admire you in that sense na you feel inclined or happy to have stuff like that.
It's there, it's ready. Pero yan, we're about to go 25 minutes into the recording. So,
And it feels like we've been talking for 10
it's
minutes.
been, feels like 5 minutes. I don't even know. We started this conversation with what? Yung collection ko. Paano ba tayo nag-start? I don't even know na. Pero,
Describe each
ayun,
other.
describe each other. Tapos it went to that. Pero yan, we've been going na for 25 minutes. We're gonna stop the recording there. So, yan. Till we sync again. Tama na ba? Yun na ba yung ano natin? Ano ba?
Maybe.
Maybe. Ayan.
Ano kasi ako eh, baduy ako sa mga ganyan stuff eh. Madali ako makringe.
Ako rin eh, parang hindi pa siya cheesy. Like, is this really the best way to go about things? Pero, ayan, we'll see you next time, okay? Thank you for watching.